No yard? No problem at all. With the right choices, you can grow fresh vegetables every single day, right from your balcony or even your windowsill. Today I will show you the best small vegetables for limited spaces and how to get the most out of them. Before we jump into the list, let's set the foundation with the rule of threes. These three principles make any small space garden more productive. Use dwarf or bush varieties. These are naturally compact and perfect for containers. Use vertical space. Shelves, railings, and hanging pots expand your growing area instantly. Ensure excellent drainage. Small containers needed to prevent waterlogged roots. With that in mind, let's move to the star performers. Let's start with the easiest crop of all, lettuce. Loose leaf types don't need deep soil and tolerate partial sun, making them ideal for windowsills. Use the cut and come again method, harvest a little and the plant keeps regrowing. It's the most efficient way to get endless salads. Next, if you are impatient, radishes are perfect. They grow fast, often in just 3 to 4 weeks, and only need 10 to 15 centimeters of soil depth. You can even tuck them around other vegetables in the same container. Moving on to beans. Choose bush varieties like Mascot. They stay compact, don't need a trellis, and produce surprisingly well. Just harvest frequently to encourage even more pots. If you want something productive and decorative, small peppers are fantastic. They thrive in 4 to 8 liter pots around 15 to 20 centimeters diameter and love full sun. Try small fruited varieties like Apache or Pinstripe for the best results. Now, tomatoes can be tricky in small spaces, unless you choose the right type. Go for true dwarf or micro dwarf varieties such as Microtom or Tiny Tim. They stay compact, produce well, and won't take over your whole balcony. Give them your sunniest spot. If you want to grow root vegetables, carrots are absolutely possible, as long as you pick the right shapes. Round types like Paris Market fit shallow containers, while finger types like Amsterdam Forcing Tree need a pot about 30 cm deep. Loose soil is the key to straight, clean roots. And of course, no small space garden is complete without herbs. Basil, chives, and parsley grow beautifully indoors. Just remember, basil needs warmth, bright light, while parsley and chives are more tolerant of lower light. For greens, use cut and come again harvesting to multiply your yield. And pay attention to your window orientation. South or west facing windows give you the best growth. Start with 1 or 2 varieties, build confidence and expand from there. Which one are you growing first? Tell me in the comments and subscribe for more small space gardening tips.